In this lesson, I will tell you how we make static routes. Let's come under the Network tab to create the static route. From here, let's click on the Virtual Router tab. Here we have the Virtual Router 1 we created before. Let's create our static route by clicking this Virtual Router 1. We come to Static Route and click Add. Let's write the name here too. Let's call it the default route. Our destination is 0.0.0.00. We also specify which interface it will go from here. Our output interface is our WAN interface. Let's write the IP address and next hop address here. Our next hop address here is 44.34.0.254. When we said OK, our default route was added here. We have created this default route for users going to the internet. Our destination is 4 zeros and we will send it over Ethernet 11. Here you can see our next hop address. Let's make it regular by saying adjust column from here. Let's expand it a little bit. Now, if we want, we can write a new static route by saying add from here. When we make site-to-site VPN, we will write static routes here again. That's all for now in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye.